Good morning, Wolfpack. My name is Eric Webb, NCOC Weather Center. Let's look at this week's weather headlines. And to take a look across the Carolinas this upcoming week, seasonable weather will dominate the first part of the week here and in the middle part of the week. And then, of course, we have some showers possible later on Saturday. And cooler conditions will return to the state by early next week. You can see the current satellite picture across the Carolinas, pretty cool and clear, of course, across the state. And, of course, we also have some fires in western North Carolina, giving a little bit of a hazy look to the sky in many of these areas, especially as you go out toward the west. Take a look at the current satellite picture across the United States. You can see this big ridge of high pressure here dominating the eastern and southeastern United States. This is going to keep us relatively dry and seasonable for the next few days. However, this next storm system, which is going to produce a blizzard across up the Midwest, will be heading in our direction by the time we get towards Saturday and produce maybe a few showers, but this will bring the first really cool air mass of the fall season. So taking a look at class-by-class forecast for the upcoming day today, temperatures starting out in the lower to middle 50s and warming up toward the upper 60s, possibly even approaching 70 degrees. Very beautiful out there today. Another picture-perfect day on tap. Taking a look, of course, at Climos Corner back in this date, 2014. This really heavy band, almost quasi-stationary band of snow came over Buffalo and just continuously pounded this area. Upwards of 10 feet of snow was reported in areas just south of the city. This is just an incredible storm. You see some of the pictures here. Again, people's houses getting completely buried in, and just an incredible storm. So taking a look, of course, at the surface map, though, across the Carolinas, you can see high pressure dominating the area. Have the storm system way off to the west. Nothing really to concern about ourselves about here. And you can see as we go into tomorrow, again, pretty much the same picture here with high pressure dominating our weather pattern. So taking a look again at the forecast for today, high temperatures in the upper 60s, near 70 degrees, mostly sunny, warm, relatively warm, at least for this time of the year. Winds light and variable. Taking a look at tonight, clear and cool skies, winds out of the north, 5 to 10 miles an hour, lows around 42, 43 degrees. Going in toward tomorrow, partly cloudy, seasonable conditions, winds out of the north at 10, 15 miles an hour. Take a look at the week ahead here. Temperatures staying relatively warm, at least compared to average as you go into Friday and Saturday. Chance of showers, and then really cool air moves into the picture as you're going towards Sunday and Monday, with temperatures possibly dipping into the upper 20s as you go in towards Sunday night. Looking at the pattern here over the coming week or so, you can see this is the factor in millibar height anomalies from the GFS ensembles. What you can see here is this large-scale ridge dominating most of the country with a little bit of a trough off the eastern seaboard. Notice as you go out in time, though, this trough off the eastern seaboard begins to deepen a little bit, and so does the ridge over Greenland and Iceland. This is going to start to change the weather pattern significantly as we go toward the end of the month and into the beginning of December, possibly some cooler temperatures on the way. You can see over the next 8 to 14 days here, this is from the Climate Prediction Center, picturing below normal temperatures actually near the eastern seaboard and the Carolinas.